Welcome back to the Air of Authority. Today we're going to show you these really cool units called Magic-Pak. They are perfect little compact HVAC units for condominium communities or apartment buildings. While our technician was performing a maintenance visit, he kindly explained to me how they worked.
So there's two coils in these usually.
Okay.
There's one up here.
Okay.
And then the one down here, obviously.
Why are there two coils?
So the way to kind of think about it is this is an air conditioner and a furnace just all wrapped into one.
Mm-hmm.
So where our coil on our air conditioner would be, that's this unit. And then that box that would normally sit on top of a furnace with your coil in it is sitting right here.
I see. Okay.
So it's sort of all of the air movement happens up here, kind of in a reverse fashion, whereas the refrigerant lines are all stored inside, just running between these two coils.
Okay. That's pretty slick.
Mm-hmm.
What do you check with that thing?
So what I was just checking on, these two are motor amperages.
Mm-hmm.
So blower motor amperage and then inducer motor amperage. This kind of just tells us the general well-being of the part, specifically in the amount of power it's having to pull to kind of get going and run. Lets us know if it's starting to wear out so that we can kind of prepare for that.
How's everything looking?
Everything's looking fine. These units are pretty young. I think 3 years, this one's about 3 years old. So everything's still pretty intact. All the electricals are in good shape. So the main thing here is just maintenance. Just making sure things stay clean, things stay working as they should. So just kind of making sure everything's tight. I'm gonna give it a good rinse out that coil as well. Just making sure these things stay as clean as possible, because the whole point of a coil is to reject heat while air is moving through the fins, and if there's dust and grime and things like that, air can't get in the fins and you don't reject heat nearly as efficiently.